13. Seafood rice. To prepare seafood rice, you will need the following ingredients: 300 g of rice for risotto, 1 liter of fish broth, 500 g mixed fish cubes, e.g. squid, prawns, mussels, and clams, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 hot pepper, optional, olive oil, sale, peppy, chopped parsley for garnish. Here are the steps to prepare seafood rice. In a saucepan, heat some olive oil and fry the chopped onion and minced garlic until soft. If you want, you can also add crushed hot pepper. Add the rice and mix well to toast it slightly. Add the hot fish broth, a little at a time, stirring occasionally. When the rice has absorbed almost all of the broth, add the diced fish mixture. Continue cooking the rice until cooked through, adding more stock if needed. Once ready, taste the rice and add salt and pepper if necessary. Serve fisherman's rice hot, decorating with minced parsley. Here are some tips for preparing seafood rice. Choose a quality rice for risotto, such as carnaroli or arborio, which are the most suitable for this type of dish. For an even tastier version, you can replace the fish broth with dry white wine. Add the wine to the sautéed onion and garlic and let it evaporate before proceeding with cooking the rice. If you don't have fish broth available, you can use chicken or vegetable broth. Keep in mind that the final result may be slightly different from the classic seafood rice. If you don't like diced fish, you can replace it with whole fish, such as shrimp tails or cod fillets. Don't overdo the amount of broth, otherwise the rice will become too soft. Remember to add it a little at a time and stir often. Taste the rice as it cooks and add salt and pepper if necessary. Remember that fish stock is already flavorful, so you may not need to add too much salt. Serve fish rice hot, accompanied by a green salad or a vegetable soup.